I'm going to tell you the big secret that the gurus won't tell you about how to promote your affiliate link effectively. Right, so basically, once we were done with our landing page, right, assuming, let's say we have our dream customer over here, and then he saw a landing page that says how to get a free PDF on how to do faceless marketing, right? Get a free PDF on how to do faceless marketing, as I said, right? So basically, our dream customer here will put his email because he's very interested, right? He liked this very valuable information, so he put his email. Then, instead of going directly here to your affiliate link, as we have seen previously, right? It's very important to do a thank you page, right? So as soon as he or she, right, puts the email here, then the person goes here on the thank you page. So a thank you page is also called a bridge page, right? So it's create a bridge between the front end here, this page is the front end. It's called landing page, opt-in page, or mini website, as you want. So it creates a bridge between this and your affiliate link over here, right? So here, that's if you want like to have to be effective, right? If you want it's called conversion. If you want to have if you want people to buy from you, it's very important, like, to put a video or test that let's say it's a video. So if it's a video, you talk about yourself. For example, let's say thank you for putting your email. So you will get access to XYZ, which is your affiliate link here. So by putting a test or video, you create a trust. You create trust, right? You create trust already, compared to somebody who completely put his affiliate link, after the landing page. So by putting a brief page where you thanks people, you introduce yourself, you create trust, because people buy from people they know, like, and trust, right? And video is the best way to do that, right? So this is one big secret that most of the gurus won't tell you about that, right? So putting a bridge page or thank you page between the opt-in and the opt-in page or mini website or landing page and your affiliate link. And also the last point is to connect your mini website to your machine. Your machine here is called your automation system, right? To the autoresponder, right? And each time that our customer here will put his email, then he will receive a daily emails, right? So, and as you know, the money is in the list, right? But the real is not in the list actually. The money is in the relationship you build with the list, right? So that's where my program come into play, right? The digital marketing. So I like to say that digital marketing is actually the enhanced version of affiliate marketing, right? So with the program that I'm currently promoting, so you will learn how to create this relationship with your list. You will learn, that's it. You learn the key to build it, to build this relationship, to build your email list as well, and potentially get sales, right? So if you are interested, you can comment yes below, and I will send you all the details. And also, if you have any questions regarding affiliate marketing, digital marketing, please put them also in the comments. I will be glad to do a special video for you guys.